Hello guys, it's me again. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a hand crank generator, which I failed because of a simple elementary mistake. So I made this cranking mechanism, right? It's a gear and you crank it, and it's supposed to generate electricity, voltage, and I'll show you guys right now. Okay guys, now we start. I'm gonna start cranking it. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. It's barely putting out not even 1 volt. Let me go faster. Oh, hold on. Oops. Let me see if I can. Oh, there it is. There it was. See, I can get it to 1 volt, but that's not the problem with the generator. It can generate 1 volt, but it can't charge your phone. As you can see, it's not quite enough voltage to turn on my phone. However, it is enough to turn on an LED. Okay, so what this is a step up. It's a 1 to 5 volt step up, right? And it basically steps up the voltage from the generator, the hand crank generator, such that it steps it up to 5 volts so that it can charge your phone. However, it sacrifices amps for that, and therefore it can't charge my phone because my phone requires a minimum of 1000 milliamps, and that's shown in the charging and the specs, right? So, but what it can do is, as of right now, all it does is power an LED. Oh man. Okay, so what it can do is this. I'm not sure if you guys can see the LED. Every time I spin it, it lights up. Let's go fast. See? It lights up. But no charging my phone. Alright, no charging. No whatsoever. And I've tried this by giving it a continual cycle by, having like a motor right here and spinning it, but it doesn't work because at the end of the day, this motor doesn't really put out a lot of volts. It's like it's a weak motor. I don't know, it's not a big enough motor, but that's my speculation. It doesn't output enough volts so that it can step it up to 5 volts without losing sufficient amp. So yeah, that's my conclusion. And what I'm going to do next time is that I'm going to have a better motor, that's for sure. I'm going to have a higher voltage motor, and so yeah, I'm probably going to make sure that I'm going to have enough amps going into a car battery, maybe have a car USB charger, so that it can send maybe more than 1000 milliamps, so that maybe you can charge even faster than normal charger. So yeah, this is definitely part A, and part A was a fail, but it was a learning experience. Yeah, so right now I'm going to show you a cool video. Okay, so now what I will do is use this motor to power that motor. Oh boy.
Okay, can we appreciate this camera setup?
Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to use this motor to power this motor. Look very closely and you will see it move a little bit. See it? You see that? Hold on. This is really inefficient, but it does move. See that? It moves. This isn't just me turning. Okay, so what I'm about to do right now should not be attempted unless it's the 4th of July. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this and that. So yeah, the first one, hold on. Focus. Boop. And this is how a real motor moves with the 9-volt battery attached. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see how the... Now we're going to connect all of them. We're going to connect 2 at a time, and then 2, and then 3. My mind is telling me no, but my body is telling me yeah. Hold on. Woo! One more time. Ho. Okay, you only do this if you have 200 IQ. Woo! So this motor is actually cooler. Okay, you guys see the sparks? The arcs? Ooh. Don't play with batteries, kids.